For many people, paying the utility bill takes a big bite out of their monthly income. And staying current with those monthly bills is often a real challenge. And that's what I'd like to talk to you about today. You see, in everyone's home, whether you rent or own, you can take control and save on your monthly utility bill. There are many things that you can do. Some are expensive, while some are very easy and inexpensive to do. Your local electric cooperative is committed to helping you save energy dollars. They're an excellent source of information. You can also visit www.takecontrolandsave.coop for more energy saving tips. Let's take the next few minutes to share some energy efficient tips that you can perform to make your home more comfortable and reduce your utility bill. Take a look at these light bulbs. Chances are you've seen them, and perhaps you've already installed compact fluorescent lights in your home. But if you haven't, here are some facts that you should know about them. You can replace any bulb that burns more than 1 hour per day with its equivalent CFL. So for every 75-watt bulb in your home, you could install the equivalent 20-watt spiral CFL. That reduces your consumption 78%, as well as how often you change the bulb. There are all types and styles of CFLs, even for outdoor lights. By installing CFLs in your home, you can reduce your electricity consumption, therefore reducing power plant emissions. You might have heard that CFLs contain mercury and other chemicals. However, the amount of mercury is so small that you could put it on the head of a ballpoint pen. In fact, your thermometer has much more mercury inside than a CFL. If you have specific lighting needs, there is more information available on the Energy Star website. I've shown you how you can save money on lighting in your home. Now let's look at things in your kitchen. Did you know that your refrigerator can be one of the most expensive appliances to run in your home? Depending on the age of your refrigerator, it could cost as much as $1 per day to run it. Newer Energy Star models, while more expensive to purchase, can cost far less to run. But just because you can't afford to buy a new one doesn't mean that you can't help your older refrigerator run as efficiently as possible. Here are a few tips to help you out. Clean the coils once a year. It's really easy to do. Just use your vacuum or a small brush. Snap off the cover near the bottom on the front. If you have a crevice tool on the vacuum, carefully extend it as far as you can reach to clean up all the dirt and debris. Just be careful to avoid the fan and motor. You can wipe down the cover with some mild soap and water, thoroughly dry it, and replace the cover. Use the power saver mode if you have it. Be sure the door seal is in good working order and clean. In the freezer, make sure products don't block the air vents inside. Otherwise, your freezer will run longer and use more electricity. Also, when defrosting foods, put them in the refrigerator for an extra day. If you use the microwave to defrost foods, you're actually using more electricity. Your dishwasher can also be an energy hog. When you are loading the dishwasher, be sure to fill it up with dishes before you run it. A half-full dishwasher uses more energy to clean dishes than a full one. Also, do not use the heated drying cycle. Instead, stop the unit when it's ready to enter the dry cycle and carefully open the door slightly to allow dishes to air dry. These few tips in the kitchen will help you take control of your energy consumption and save more of your hard-earned money. It's been said that air infiltration is the biggest complaint from homeowners. What is air infiltration? It's a leaky home. And if you have air leaks in your home, you feel that cool air breeze in the winter. And when that happens, you usually turn up the thermostat. But that only makes the electric bill go up. What you really need to ask yourself is what is causing that drafty feeling, and where is it coming from? Think about this front door. Is it sealed around the edges? Can air seep through the cracks around the jamb? You can easily weather strip exterior doors and storm doors to help stop airflow. This pack of weather stripping is inexpensive and can save you several dollars each month. It is available from your local hardware and mega shopping mart. Also, make sure the sweep on the bottom of the door is not damaged. If it is, try to repair it as soon as possible. As an alternative, you can roll up an old bath towel and put it at the bottom of the door. And don't close off vents in unused rooms. Your heating and cooling system is designed to operate most efficiently with all the vents open. Drapes, blinds, and shades are a very inexpensive way to help get the most out of your heating and cooling dollar. On winter nights, close them to help keep that heat inside your home. During winter days, open them on the south side of your home when the sun is shining to help warm the room. During summer days, close them to help keep the room cooler. Insulation is vital to stopping air infiltration. If your attic has little or no insulation, you can install it very easily. Your local do-it-yourself store has all kinds of insulation products. Fiberglass bats can be laid across the attic floor. Be sure to use the proper safety gear and wear long sleeves. Fiberglass insulation is known as basic and affordable. However, it doesn't completely stop air moving through it like other products. Blown cellulose, which is recycled newspaper, is another product. Most DIY stores allow you to rent or borrow the blowing machine to install this highly energy-efficient product. Blown foam products are also available, but require a professional to install them. You should have enough insulation in your attic to measure at least R45 south of Missouri Interstate 70 and at least R49 north of Missouri Interstate 70. Contact your local electric cooperative for details. While you're adding insulation in your attic, inspect the attic door. Make sure it has a weather strip seal and adequate insulation to cover the door when it is closed. Did you know that electrical outlets and switches can allow air into your home? Outlet and switch gaskets installed on all of your outlets and switches will reduce air infiltration. They usually come in a multi-pack and are available for a few dollars at most hardware stores and mega stores. Simply remove the cover screws and install the gasket over the outlet or switch and replace the cover. Caulking is perhaps the least expensive energy-saving step that you can install in your home. On average, a tube of caulk costs around $2. Anywhere you suspect air coming into your home, put in some clear, siliconized caulk. You'll notice an immediate savings and an increase in your comfort. There are many areas to check for caulking. On the inside of your house, around doors, around windows, around baseboard trim. On the outside of your home, around windows and doors, around electrical, phone, and other cable penetrations. If you're not sure if an area should be caulked, caulk it. Your heating and cooling system was designed to operate at maximum efficiency when it was new. But like an old car, it occasionally needs a tune-up to help it perform as well as it can. Once a year, be sure to clean the outside coils with high-pressure water or air. A cleaner coil operates more efficiently. Inside, change your air filter every 3 months with a good quality air filter. Set your thermostat at 78 degrees in the summer and 68 degrees in the winter. When you leave, be sure to set it higher in the summer or lower in the winter to help save energy dollars. Even better, install a programmable thermostat like this one. That way, you don't have to manually adjust the temperature in your home based on your schedule. These devices are very easy to program and use. Check with your HVAC contractor to see if your system is compatible. Another way to help your comfort level is to use area fans and ceiling fans. In the summer months, ceiling fans should blow air down to help keep you cooler. In the winter months, ceiling fans should blow air up to help circulate warm air off the ceiling and down to the floor. Another product that can add comfort to your home in winter is a humidifier. Warm, moist air in the winter makes us feel better and soothes dry skin. Another place that you can save energy dollars is to install pipe wrap on the hot water line. For less than $1, these pieces of insulation wrapping are easy to cut to length, and over time, the savings will add up. Another way to save a few dollars each month is to install a low-flow shower head and faucet restrictors. These easy-to-install devices don't change water pressure in your home, but they do reduce the amount to about 2 gallons per minute of water coming out of the faucet, helping you save money each month. And speaking of water use, if you have dripping faucets, make repairs as soon as possible. It's not only good for your wallet, it's good for the environment too. I've shown you several areas in your home where you can take control of your energy expenses and save money. There are so many simple ways that you can reduce your use. Another one is right here in the laundry room when you're washing clothes. Instead of using warm or hot water, switch to cold. Many of today's fabrics are designed to be washed in cold water. Today's detergents are also designed for cold water washing. So unless you're washing your bed linens and towels, use cold water. And if you're in the market for a new washer, consider a front-loading high-efficiency model. They save around 60 to 70% on your water consumption. You will also notice a considerable reduction in your use of electricity and detergent. On your dryer, make sure the lint trap is cleaned after each load. Not only will your dryer operate more efficiently, this simple step reduces the risk of fire to your home. Not only can you do several things inside your home to reduce your energy bills, there are a few things outside your home to help you take control and save energy dollars. Caulk around the windows using clear siliconized caulking. Each tube costs about $2, and the applicator gun costs about $3 and can be used for a long time. Keep your outdoor air conditioner free of debris. In fact, you can hose it off occasionally to make sure dust and dirt are not prohibiting airflow. And if at all possible, make sure it has some shade from the hot summer sun. Just don't plant large shrubs nearby. On those cold winter days, be sure to keep the garage door down as much as possible. Well, we started here in the kitchen with a few tips to help you take control of your energy dollars. Hopefully you've learned how to save those dollars each month with these simple, inexpensive ways to weatherize your home. Your local electric cooperative can answer any questions that you might have about these and other ways to help you take control and save each month. When you call them, ask for the energy experts in the Member Services Department. And if you have internet service, you can also check out the Take Control and Save Energy Efficiency website to learn about some of the other programs offered by your local electric cooperative. The address is www.takecontrolandsave.coop.